Chapter 5 begins by
These are the learning
just
objectives.
discussing the
Make
plasma
sure to
membrane.
go through these. Number 7
When
and
we look
8 will not be
at
covered.
the plasma membrane, this, remember, is what surrounds every cell. Analysis of those phospholipids has been done, and as we talked about in class, the phospholipids are not covalently bound to one another. It affects the membrane fluidity at
So here
different
we're going to
temperatures.
look at
when we look
membrane proteins and
this
the
is
function
a closer
of those
view
proteins.
of what's called an integral
you'll see
protein. If you
these
look
are the
at where
functions
the
of cells.
phospholipid bilayer
We will
is.
not go over this in a lot of detail right now, but you'll see how this comes into play.
On the outside of cells are important because they allow cells to recognize the structure of the membrane is what guides when we look at how things move across the membrane. Now, another type of diffusion
across the membrane
is called facilitated diffusion.
This slide on the very top,
this is
we
also
see
a channel
form of
protein. This is a transmembrane protein.
Anytime we
in which,
see
if you follow the something that crosses the membrane.
This is an example of the sodium potassium pump.
This is just a recap.
Image
of
number
the different types
one
of
on the top
transports
left
that we've looked
membrane
at.
just
Passive
one
transport
little molecule
includes
at a time.
diffusion.
Some things do.
There are
Very
two
small
types
molecules
of
in water
transport
enter and leave the
across
cell.
the cell.
Exocytosis,
The other form
and
endocytosis.
movement across
the cell's
on the
plasma
left-hand side
membrane
here, we've got
in
an
bulk
example
is
of
called
phagocytosis.
So what you're looking at
so
is,
here's
let's say the example
another
of
diagram.
an amino